Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to look after and encourage more fruits on your lemon tree. Lemon juice, fruit, and the peel is used as medicine too. It is a good source of vitamin C and also used for common cold and flu. In summer months, lemon drink is very popular. Lemon juice and peel is used in cooking too. I'm going to give you 9 tips to look after your lemon tree. If you follow these tips, you can get a bumper crop of lemons from one tree. So let's get into it. Before I start, if you are new to my channel, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and press the bell button too. It will help me to create more videos like this. Number 1. Position. Lemon tree needs full sun to extract the energy from the sun to make its fruits. It grows best in hot summers and mild winters. So if you are thinking about planting a lemon tree, please select a position where you get full sun most of the day. Number 2 is soil. It should be very well drained soil as lemon tree does not like water clogging or wet feet. Number 3. Before you plant a lemon tree, you have to decide which lemon tree to buy. There are many varieties of lemon trees in the market, but if you want to grow a lemon tree without any seeds, you can buy a Eureka lemon tree. It is easy to use and hassle-free without any pips. Tip number 4. Let the sun and air circulate freely into the middle section of the tree. It will encourage more fruits in your lemon tree. So, when you prune your lemon tree, make sure you get rid of the little suckers or branches which covers the sunlight, especially in the middle of the tree. Now, let's go to tip number 5. Harvest. You pick the lemons which are ripe and ready to pick and let the young fruits to grow. If you leave the ripe lemons in the tree, the young lemons will have a competition to get enough energy to grow into a big, juicy fruit. Tip number 6 is to prune. You prune the lemon tree after the harvest of the first batch of lemons. Get rid of the low-hanging branches to prevent the pests and fungi. Pruning also encourages the new leaves which give you a lot of flowers, then turn them into a lot of lemons. As I mentioned earlier, please make sure to clean up the excess branches in the middle of the tree to let the sun in. Now we are up to tip number 7, that is to fertilize. After the harvest, you fertilize the lemon tree with Dynamic Lifter. You can buy citrus fertilizer from the store if you wish, but I prefer Dynamic Lifter instead as it is an organic poultry-based product. Now, I'm going to share another secret with you. Add 2 tablespoons of Epsom salt in 9 liters of water and pour it into the soil around the base of the tree and out to the drip line of the tree. Chicken manure is also good for lemon trees. Now we are into tip number 8, mulch. If there's grass and weeds around the tree, you can remove them and put some mulch around the tree to retain moisture in and discourage the grass from absorbing all the nutrients. You can use wood chips, dried leaves, dried grass clippings, compost or straw as mulch to your lemon tree. I use some straw and pine bark as mulch. It provides organic matter to the soil, reduces the weed growth, and regulates the soil temperature too. Tip number 9 is water. Please listen to the sound of water. I enjoyed watering the garden this particular day. I hope you can see why. The rainbow was dancing to entertain me. Okay, let's come back to the subject. Lemon trees like to be watered when the soil is dry. So, water once a week or once in 2 weeks during hot summers. During winter, if you have a lot of rain, you don't need to water it at all. Once established, The lemon tree is very hardy and easy to look after. If you follow these tips, you can have a lemon tree which will reward you with lots and lots of fruits. When we have a lot of lemon, we make lemon pickles. It is delicious in chutneys and can use in sandwiches too. It has a tangy, salty and spicy taste as we use spices in our lemon pickle. It's delicious and goes very well with rice and curry dishes. The other method is to squeeze the lemons and freeze them in your ice cube containers. When you need some lemon, they are ready in the freezer. Now it is the summer, and when we need a nice cold drink, what else is better than a lemonade? I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any comments or questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section. Until I see you in another video, bye for now.